This is some reclaimed wood that my husband found. You can see we stained some of it. It was this kind of grayish pine color, but since we're putting it in a room that is a very dark blue with some kind of avocado green accents, the wood started to look a little yellowed because we found a dark walnut stain, but we don't want it too dark, so let me show you how we do that. It's very rough, and we don't mind. You don't have to sand it. It's reclaimed wood. We're kind of going for that rustic look, and that's okay. Because imperfections and reclaimed wood look amazing. So what we do is we take the stain on there with a stain brush, and then we're going to quickly wipe it off so that not too much of the stain gets absorbed. So as you can see the difference, we've got kind of this yellowish gray color, and now we've got this dark walnut stain, and you can still see some of the striations and the saw marks in the reclaimed wood. We didn't take out any of the nails or anything like that because, again, we want it to look that rough color. It's not like paint. You don't have to worry about what direction you go in, but you do probably want to wear rubber gloves because this stuff absorbs quickly. And you don't want it in your skin. It'll be there forever. And then we make sure that you wipe the sides where it's dripping. As you can see, this is our rough side that we've stained. This will go towards the front. And then what I did was on the back, I actually sanded it smooth because this is the part that'll go against the wall. And then I was thinking about rounding these edges, but again, I want that rough look up against that very smooth, very pretty blue wall that we painted. You'll see the final results. And then we're going to take our stain and we're going to do our last little bit. You want to work in small sections because you want to be able to wipe up that stain before it dries. Don't want absorbing too much. And you want a nice even color. And there you go. There's our walnut stained reclaimed piece of wood.